Amber Speck, an advanced director on a mission to make to make mealtime preparation quick, easy, and fun, and gather the family around the table together. And I'm here with our microwave popcorn maker. This is the small size. It's about the size of a bag of popcorn, but we are going to make it without any chemicals. So all that's going in here is a little bit, quarter cup of popcorn kernels. And then we like to make it with a tablespoon of butter, but you can just air pop it with no butter or oil, or you could use coconut oil or canola oil, whatever kind of oil you like. So we're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and 20 seconds with my microwave because it's very powerful, so it's done pretty quickly. We also have a family size microwave popcorn maker, and you can see they collapse down so that they're easy to store. And this one will make 12 cups of popcorn, so it's about twice the size as the smaller one. However, they're only a $10 difference. So this one is great just to be able to make more at once. We also love to make kettle corn by putting in like a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil and a tablespoon of sugar, and that comes out great. So we also now have a new seasoning called salt and vinegar. Some people really enjoy that on their popcorn. Or you can do a ranch seasoning mix or French toast seasoning mix. Comes in a little container like this. And yeah, in about 2 minutes we will have fresh homemade popcorn that doesn't have the chemicals that the bag popcorn has. You do it in the microwave, so it's safe for your kids to make the popcorn without having to have it on the stovetop to watch it the whole time. However, it does take the first couple times that you use it, you want to stay close by and listen for it to slow down or stop popping. Really you want to stop it before it stops popping. So as soon as it starts to slow the popping, you want to pull it out until you kind of figure out how long your microwave is going to take to get the batch of popcorn done. So a lot of microwaves have that popcorn setting, which is usually pretty good. With our microwave popcorn popper, I'd still watch it or listen that last few seconds of it popping. So I always love to hear what everybody's favorite seasoning is for popcorn. Let me know in the comments below. Also, what's your favorite afternoon snack? We have popcorn quite often. We also love to use our apple wedger, slice some apples, and maybe have some of our peanut butter that we made with our deluxe cooking blender. Sometimes we'll have graham crackers and milk or cereal. So let me know what your favorite popcorn seasoning and your favorite snack is in the afternoon. So my little one is over there popping, and we've got about 10 seconds left on our popcorn and it will be ready to go. One last tip when you are using the microwave popcorn maker is to offset it in the middle of your turntable in the microwave so that it will cook more evenly, and then also leave that lid open. So the little red cup in there has a lid. You want to leave that open for it to vent. So let's check it out. It is done to perfection. Definitely found 2 minutes, 20 seconds to be perfect in my microwave. Then we're just going to add some salt and it will be ready to enjoy. Since I put the butter in before popping it, it kind of infused into each kernel, so it is delicious and ready to eat. Thanks for joining me. Have a good day.